witnesses ng prosecution, well, that's the prerogative of the prosecution. And sa amin nga, parati namin sinasabi, once they're presented, they will be subjected to cross-examination on our part.
Anong circumstance haharap si VP sa trial?
Kung kinakailangan, hindi ko pa masabi sa iyo yung exact circumstance. It will be part of the legal strategy, which obviously we will not disclose. But in case kailangan, that will be upon the advice of counsel, which is the defense.
But she's willing, sir, pag kinakailangan.
Well, I don't want a soundbite kasi na she's willing because I'm sure that's what everyone's asking for. No? But pag kinakailangan, bakit naman hindi siya haharap, diba? Kasi parati natin sinasabi na hindi humaharap si Vice President. But what we're doing now is pagharap sa mga alegasyon, hindi ba? What they're pushing for is a physical appearance. But the physical appearance, for example, the pre-trial stage, hindi naman siya kailangan talaga nandito. Ano naman ang gagawin niya dito, di ba, kung nandito man siya. So, ang sa atin, kung dumating yung circumstance na kinakailangan niyang humarap, we will be the ones to advise the client na kailangan niyang humarap. At doon natin malalaman kung haharap siya o hindi.
Sir, 5 days na yung pre-trial, nakapag-feedback na ba kayo? Nag-usap na kayo ng Vice President sa development dito?
Yes, I talk to the Vice President every day, if not several times a day.
So after ng pre-trial, sir, ano na yung focus ng preparation ng defense team?
Definitely, iintayin natin lumabas yung pre-trial order. Kasi po, pag lumabas po yan, kung sa tingin natin, kinakailangan magbigay ng ating komento, magbibigay po tayo ng ating komento. At after that, syempre, we look forward to trial itself.
Walang rason para ma-delay yung start ng trial from July 6 since matatapos kayo today.
That is something for the impeachment court to determine. Kami lang po, we will comply with whatever directive the impeachment court gives or issues.
Sir, yung BIR back, sir, can you share with us na yung...
As I said yesterday, we will give our response through an official response that we will be filing tomorrow.
What's safe to say, sir, na hindi siya bubuksan today?
Well, that's not up to me. That's up to the impeachment court po. So I will not be the one to answer to that.
Hindi po ba kayo parang required yung meron muna kayong sagot before that issue is resolved?
Actually, wala namang utos sa amin na mag-comment. But because nakopy kami sa manifestation, we will also file our position on the matter, which I think the impeachment court would also appreciate.
The impeachment court will rule even if you don't have a comment, sir.
I don't know what the impeachment court will do and will not do. I think that's best directed to the impeachment court. Ang masasagot lang po ay yung parte ng defense. At yung defense, ang sinasabi ko lang po ay mag-file kami ng comment by tomorrow. And this has been communicated to Secretary Bantu.
But, sorry, as to your knowledge, they can rule even without your comment?
I don't want to say kasi whatever the impeachment court will do. No, I hope you understand, ma'am. That's unfair for me to tell the impeachment court what they can and cannot do.
Wait lang po kung papamarkahan nila yung mismong seal box.
Sorry?
Kung ipapamark nila yung mismong...
Ma'am, I will not answer. I will not preempt talaga po. No, I know you're wanting an answer, but please be patient with us. There are official ways of doing this and formal ways of doing this. Ang gagawin namin, we will file a comment by tomorrow, as I mentioned.
May mga nagsasabi na sa House hearings, may mga nagpapakita na misconduct, pattern of misconduct. Ano po yung sagot ng defense na mapapatunayan yun?
Ano pong misconduct sa House hearings?
Sa public trust po, internal public trust.
Sorry po sir, hindi ko po masyadong maintindihan yung question. Can you rephrase the question so I can answer you
May mga
directly?
nagsasabi po na sa House hearings, may mga nagpapakita ng pattern of misconduct. Ano po yung...
Ano pong House hearings ang tinutukoy natin, sir?
CBP.
Well, that's a matter of opinion. That's obviously not our position. So I don't see how that's relevant to the impeachment proceedings as well.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Today, sa table ko, 100%. Pero ano lang, kasi ako nasa acknowledgement na sa
Narap yung mic ko.
Sorry. May Ito kayo. Ano, dito yung balik.
Thank you, sir.
Ako babalik.
Like I said, yesterday, hindi susunod naman. Galing sa prosecutor.
Balik ka kaya sa podium.
Balik.
Kailangan mo na siya.
The other point, cellphone naman sila. We will put our position talaga.
Jedi.
Ayan ba? For
Yes na ba? Jedi.
to ask us to comment. Kasi papansin nyo yan, Supreme Court pa. Pag may file, they will ask the other party to comment. So, tinanong siya, do you want to say, gusto ko namin masabi yun. Kaya hindi ko masagot yung tanong. Hindi ko rin alam. Wala kasi sa something tapos sabi niya pero kami
Pantata.